Hey guys. I wanted to hop on here for just a minute because I felt like doing this on stories might be a little bit difficult. Just mainly because I don't know, I felt like it would be harder. So what I wanted to hop on and talk about was the difference between Beautycounter's Dew Skin, which is a tinted moisturizer that has SPF 20 in it, and Beautycounter's Tint Skin, which is more of a traditional, more full coverage foundation. And I thought that I would show you guys actually on my face what the difference is between the two. So first of all, I believe both of them are actually like Allure award-winning products, like best, I don't know, best foundation, best tinted moisturizer maybe. But this product right here, the Dew Skin, is the very first product that I ever actually purchased from Beautycounter. This is literally the bottle, and it doesn't expire until March, and I'm still using it. And that was over 2 years ago. So, hey girl, how you doing? So, all of that being said, this has been phenomenal. It's definitely more... trying to think. I mean, it's not as full coverage. This is not going to be the thing that you want to use if you have a lot of like blemishes or scarring or something like that that you're wanting to cover up. But this is what I really love to use. I use it every day. That's a lie. I use it every day in the summer and any day that I'm going to be spending some time outside. Otherwise, I just carry one of our sunscreen sticks in my bag so that I can put it on in case I need to go outside. So anyway, all of that being said, this is our number 2 color. And I'm going to, well, you know what, I'm going to put them on at the same time so you guys can kind of see. So that's the Dew Skin. It has SPF 20 in it. I think I already said that. It's non-nano zinc oxide. And I did actually have a couple of people ask me why we don't have a face cream or why the Tint Skin, which is the foundation, why do those things not have SPF in them as well? And the reason is this: we don't use chemical SPFs. We use physical blockers like the non-nano zinc oxide. And that's not something that you can just put into something and expect the exact same performance. And so obviously we have formulated the Dew Skin to have that, and but you can't just like add stuff and expect the same performance out of the product. So that being said, if you are looking for something that has SPF, the Dew Skin is definitely a great option. And you could also get one of the concealer pens if you have some areas that you want a little bit more coverage on. The Tint Skin is more, it's like a traditional foundation. It's not going to be like where it basically erases everything that your skin has and then just like replaces it with the foundation. But it is more of a full coverage thing compared to the Dew Skin. So I'm going to show you guys. Sorry, I should add, the thing that I love about this is it's not very heavy. I have used all kinds of foundations in the past, drugstore types, stuff that you can buy at Ulta, Sephora, etc. I've tried mineral options as well, and none of them really gave just made my skin feel good to use. So that being said, I really have enjoyed this. While I don't use it every single day, I do really like to put it on. Like, it doesn't feel like there's anything on my skin, which is wonderful. So that being said, I'm going to show you guys, if you can see on my cheeks, I don't remember what these little red like capillary like broken, I feel like they're broken capillaries. Anyway, those are kind of things that I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to get rid of. So whenever I do wear something on my skin, I like for it to kind of cover up that area. So what I'm going to be doing is putting these on my cheeks. So first, I probably shouldn't have gotten like a full pump. Oh well. First I'm going to do is Dew Skin. So this is the Dew Skin. Okay. Yeah, definitely shouldn't have gotten a full pump. Hold on. Should have thought about it first. So, as you can see, I had those little red spots on my nose, right? On my cheeks. Another tip that I always like to tell people is when you put on a foundation or a tinted moisturizer, it's always good to do it with some people prefer to do it with their hands, but it's always good to do it with a brush, a clean brush, I should say. I feel like that should be another good video, is how to clean your brushes. But anyway, it helps to prolong the the bottle that you have, because it actually helps you use less, helps you spread it more evenly, etc. This side is the Dew Skin. Now I'm going to put, and so I feel like I should let you, so you can still see some of that redness, but there's definitely more of a like muted redness, if you will. Now this is Dew Skin, try to get a little bit less this time, in the linen color, which is like the second lightest color. Like I said, that's my color. So still looks pretty thick when you put it on. You can still see I have some of those red lines right there, right? It's not as thick of a texture as the Dew Skin. I'm trying not to pull the skin under my eyelids very much. So you can see, I hope you can see because I can see it. This side has the Tint Skin. You don't see nearly as much of the redness. I didn't blend it on my nose very well. You don't see nearly as much of the redness on this side as you do on this side. So it's just more of an even coverage with the Tint Skin than it is with the Dew Skin. My preference is the Dew Skin, mainly because it does have the SPF. I don't feel like I need to have full coverage all of the time. And I also feel like this is really random. I feel like the Tint Skin like catches the hair on my face a little bit more. So if you were to like get all up in my face, which nobody really is, but you could see it more clearly. Like there would be a more pronounced like makeup look. But that being said, if I'm doing photos, if I'm going to be out in public a lot more, needing to dress up and look a little bit more, sorry, somebody was calling, then this is the one that I go for. So here we go. We'll do one last thing. And no, it's all going to be backwards. I'm trying to make sure that the French side is not there. So this is the Dew Skin. Less coverage, but it does have SPF, super moisturizing. And then this side is the Tint Skin, which is more full coverage, no SPF, but still very moisturizing. I feel like it has a little bit lighter texture. So there you go. If you have questions, please send me a direct message. I'm always happy to help. I can help you decide which one's the best for you, what, help with color matching, etc., give you tips and tricks and so forth. You can always send me a direct message or shoot me an email. My email address is in my profile. Hope you guys are having a good day. Bye.